This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This bike is in like new showroom condition. It only has 44 original miles on the odometer. It's a great two-tone color. Harley calls it REEF blue and vivid black with a chrome finish. So the pipes and all the other hardware on it is chrome instead of the blacked out finish. Being the Limited, it has the 114 cubic inch MILWAUKEE 8 engine, made to do a 6-speed transmission, so it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque. It'll get you and your passenger and all your gear down the road with ease. Just an absolutely great looking color. Nice big comfortable seat for you and your passenger. Of course, it has a security system. Nice big TourPak with a luggage rack. LED lights in the back of the TourPak. This bike is in stock condition, so it's ready for you to accessorize into whatever you want it to be to make it your own. Now, being the Limited model, it has the heated grips, the painted inner fairing. It has the GTS boom stereo system, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth, navigation. You can Bluetooth your phone or your iPod into the system, or you can put it in this compartment here and plug it in, and it'll integrate it into the system, and you can control it with the color touchscreen or the hand controls. So you have a lot of options there. Now, this bike is equipped with the RDRS system, which has a bunch of safety features, traction control and ABS cornering and tire pressure monitor, hill start control. A great option on one of these Limiteds. LED headlights, LED driving lights. Just a great looking bike. I mean, this bike is almost new with only 44 miles on it. Nice contrast cut wheels from Harley Davidson. Six-gallon tank. This is a great looking color in the sun, but today we have clouds and wind, and another storm is headed our way. Great spring weather in the Ozarks, as usual. you're in the market for a new touring bike for the spring and summer riding season, take a really good look at this 2022. Great two-tone color, only 44 original miles on the odometer. Save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP and surcharges and dock fees and all the other mystery fees that seem to get added on to a new bike. Take those thousands of dollars you're going to save and accessorize this bike the way you like it, and have money left over for your next road trip. For information on how to put this beautiful 2022 Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA at 417-343-3696. It can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.